This video is going to cover how to solve or use the graphing calculator to solve one variable equation. So you can see each of these equations has one variable, that variable being x. So the video example says, select all the following equations that have the same solution set as the equation negative 8x minus 4 equals negative 9 minus 6x minus x. So we want to see of these 5 down here, which of them, if only one, has the same solution as the one it gives us. Remember, the goal to solving equations is to find the value for the variable that makes the two expressions equal. I'm trying to figure out what value does x need to be to make this side of the equal sign the same as this side, or this value the same as this value, right? So we're going to use the graphing calculator to do that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to graph each expression. So we have negative 8x. I'll type in minus 4, and then in a separate bar we'll type in the other expression. So this expression, negative 9 minus 6x minus x. Negative 9 minus 6x minus x. So I've graphed the two expressions. They're going to show up as two lines, and now what I'm going to do is make this full screen. And now we're looking for the point of intersection. So the point where they are equal value. You can see they come together right here. So 5 is the value that makes them equal. So this will be our solution. So our solution for this particular example is 5. We could say x, and I'll use a different color. X equals 5. Now I'm going to continue to do this for all of the remaining equations. So it's x minus 7 plus 4, and then in the second expression bar, negative 8 plus 2x. So I put them in correctly. Now I'm going to look at the graph full screen. We can see that the two lines are of equal value when they intersect, and it looks like they're intersecting when x is 5. So for our solution here, we have x equals 5. So we're looking for the x value when we put it into the graphing calculator. This number 2, this is actually the value that both of the sides of the equation simplify to when we put 5 in for x. I'm going to type in negative 2x minus 2 and then 8 minus 4x. So I've typed them both in. Now I'm looking for where they're equal value. They're equal value right here when x is 5. So again, the solution to this one is x equals 5. You can see the first two have the same solution as the one that was given to us in the directions. Now let's look at the third one, negative 5x minus 6 and negative 9 minus 8x. You can see I've graphed them both. Now we're looking for the intersection point. It gives us the y-intercept, the x-intercept, but we want where they two equal each other, and it looks like they're crossing or intersecting when x is 3. So our solution here would be x equals 3. Now let's do the fourth one. So you can see over here the two lines that we graphed, we put in the expressions correctly, and they are of equal value when x equals 6. Both sides will simplify to 17. So our solution here would be x equals 6. And the last one, so here it's a little bit more challenging to see. There's several dots here. You want to make sure that the dot that you're looking at is the dot of intersection. And so you can see the two lines come together when x is 6. So 6 causes these to be equal value. So we've got our solutions for each. So now our third step is to compare them. So you can see the one that we're looking for is when we have 5. So we've got one solution. This first equation also has a solution of 5, so we would check this one. This one has 5. This one does not have 5. This one has x equals 3. This does not have the same solution. This does not have the same solution. This does not have the same solution. These two have the same solution. The question is saying select the following equations that have the same solution as the one that is given. So we would check this box and we would check this box.